No, it's not working. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be a very interesting video because I'll be doing like an unboxing and a try on of a wig I bought from wish.com. So I'm gonna show you guys what this wig actually look like because they are very cheap, and what they portray on the website looks so beautiful. I just hope it's gonna be exactly the same. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So I bought two wigs from wish.com. I think I'll be doing the video like a two-part. I'll try one in one video and I'll try the other one in another video. I made the order early this May and they told me it was gonna get to me on the 21st of May, but it actually came before 21st of May, which is okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig. It's a short, kind of like a pixie wig. So when it came, I was wondering what it was because I actually was not expecting the wigs to be with me, you know, this early. So when it came, I saw the bag, and when I saw it was the wig, I just didn't look at it because I want to look at it on camera. I'm gonna talk to you guys through what I think about this wig. So it also came with a wig net right here, so you guys can see. I think this was about £9. I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like on the website on the screen so that you guys will see what we're working with. So first of all, when you open it, the first thing I noticed is that it's a pure synthetic wig. Like, they actually said it's a human hair wig. They didn't say it's synthetic, but it's obviously synthetic. I think I'm gonna try my hot iron on it as well to see if it's gonna melt. But from what I can see, it's a synthetic wig. It's just this kind of short wig that is kind of wavy. It's really beautiful on the website, but I hope it's gonna be beautiful in real life as well. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So from what I can see, this is just a cheap synthetic wig. I think if you have like Halloween to attend or like a costume dress up party, you can get away with stuff like this. But if you're looking for a real human hair, this is not a real human hair, but you can get away with it. Maybe people might not notice that it's synthetic when you put it on and you style it properly, you know. So you might be able to get away with it and just rock it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and we're gonna see what it looks like. I think it's the middle part. From what I can see, I think it's the middle part, so we're just gonna do middle part right here. Now, should I make it a middle part? The side part. Let me do the side part. I'm just really trying to put the wig in order right here because it's obviously confusing, to be honest. But the other thing is that they said it's not synthetic online there, so I'm definitely gonna try it with my hair straightener to see if that is true. So this is what the back looks like. If you're not really worried that it's synthetic there, I think you can get away with this. Forget their website, they keep telling you it's not synthetic. Most of the hair there are all synthetic. So but I'm just gonna try this. I'm scared to try this, honestly, but I'm gonna try it to see if it's gonna work. No, it's not working. It's not working at all. It's going to melt the hair. It's pure synthetic, guys, and I think I just ruined the wig anyway. It's pure synthetic, guys. I think I just ruined the wig anyway. You can see. So don't bother trying to use your hair straightener on any of this stuff. You're gonna ruin it. So guys, you guys can see now what do you guys think? Are you going to buy this with your money, or are you going to save up to buy something, you know, with good quality? And what do you guys think about the wig? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like videos like this, please like this video so I'll know that you like videos like this, and I will definitely try out more wigs for you guys. And that is what it's gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends or people that are actually looking for a cheap, you know, synthetic wig. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Work it, 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 show your ass, work it.